Good day everyone, and welcome back to DX Explorer for another video. It's freezing cold outside and it's about 6:30 a.m. so I decided to film a video right now just because I have a crazy day and I know I won't have time later on, so don't mind my sleepy face. Well, if you remember, I ended 2023 with a failed project. It was the simple CW keyer based on a 555 timer IC, and of course it didn't work, so I decided to try another design because you know me, I'm not giving up so easy when I have an idea. So I found another schematic. You can see it on the screen right now. It's even more simple. It's using just one transistor and a couple of other components, so we'll see if that works or not. But anyway, I'm going to get on the desk really quick, build it very fast, and we'll come back in just a little bit to test it and see how well it works, if it works. If you want to build beautiful homebrew projects, choose pcbway. With excellent PCB prototyping services, all you have to do is to open your account on pcbway, use the software of your choice to design your PCB board, upload the Gerber files, and place your order. Soon you will receive your professional and great quality PCB boards for your projects. pcbway also offers PCB assembly services, SMD stencils, CNC, 3D printing, and even more. pcbway is the way. Alright, I am back with the finished circuit, and if you remember, I started filming this video at 6:30 in the morning because I had to leave somewhere. Well, it's 7 p.m. 7 in the evening, and I just finished this thing. I didn't go anywhere. I just wanted to stay and get it to work because I was really hoping that this one will work, and it looked promising at the beginning when I started, even though it didn't work, but I could see something in there, and I struggled a little bit to get it to work properly, but there you go. We're going to do a test in a little bit. First, I'm going to put the schematic really quick on the screen. If you look over there, I did some modifications. I replaced the BC157 transistor with the 2N3906 because I didn't have BC157. The 1 kilo ohms resistor, I replaced it with 2 kilo ohms. The 47 kilo ohms potentiometer, I replaced it with 10 kilo ohms. The 0.2 microfarads capacitor placed on the side where is the written dot, that one is 10 microfarads, and the one next to the dash, that one is 22 microfarads. I also removed the 2.2 kilo ohms trimmer resistor and the 470 ohms resistor, and instead of those two I just placed a 150 ohms resistor, and that's it. Those are all the modifications that I've done. Let's listen, see if you like it, and if you want to try it. Probably I'm going to play around a little bit more with this one, and if I really like it and it performs just as I want to, I might end up doing a nice PCB design so I can order it and use this keyer with many of my very simple transmitters and transceivers, because why not? Alright, so I'm going to connect it to the minimalist CW transmitter. Sorry, I'm going to connect the power, and I'm also going to connect my improvised key. If you remember, the key that I built last time for the other keyer, and now I'm going to turn up the volume for the receiver. Okay, so with this potentiometer we are adjusting the speed. So this is the line, strictly the line, that's it. If you want, you can keep the 47 kilo ohms potentiometer, and you can also change the speed by replacing the values of the capacitors. but so far for testing purposes for me these values were okay. And these are the dots, and the line, the length of the the length of the line and the speed, you get to adjust it from this potentiometer, and the dots from the other one. I'm messed up. Anyway, you get the idea. There's only one thing that I don't like. On the dots, I seem to have a nice break between the dots. Let me put it slower. But between the lines, not so much. So it's not very accentuated. So I would like to see if I can improve that. I'm a mess with this. Anyway, but it works. That's the good part. The one with the 555 didn't work, and this one with just one transistor, it works. It's funny. All right, so it works. It's fantastic. I can't believe it. I will play around for 2-3 days with it and see if I can do any more improvements. And I will also do a couple of tests with different transceivers and transmitters, and also do a couple of tests when it comes to the power input. See if I can use it, connect it straight to the same power supply that is used for the transmitter or the transceiver, and if they react negative in a way or another. And if I like it and I manage to get it to work even better than now, definitely I'm going to design a nice PCB board, probably with a smaller relay, and use it in the simple circuits that I like building, you know, like transmitters or transceivers that usually are meant for straight key. Now I could also use a paddle, because why not? And it's simple. Of course I can get to make it even smaller, so that would be fantastic. Very nice. I like it. I was honestly not expecting it to work, but I was hoping it will work, just because I had a disappointment last time. My last video of 2023 with the 555 IC, timer IC, that CW keyer did not work. So I'm happy that this one does, because I was honestly thinking that it's going to be a failure as well. So anyway, I guess yeah, I cannot wait to do a couple of more tests. I will write all the details and the conclusions that I end up with in a blog article, probably sometime during this weekend. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video as well. I'm going to come back soon with more videos. I'm going to slowly have more free time and I'll be able to do more videos. I'm sorry if from time to time I just simply disappear from YouTube, but unfortunately sometimes work is way more important than the hobby, and no matter how much I like to play with the circuits and stuff and all this radio stuff, work is important, so I have to take care of that first before YouTube and everything else. I'm going to try to post a couple of new articles on the blog, and I'm also rewriting just a few articles from the older ones. I'm trying to take some better pictures and put a little bit more information. And I think I have 2 videos left that I'm trying to remake, so I'm going to refilm and repost those videos, deleting the older ones just because I want to have some really updated information on the channel and also on the blog. And I think that's it. So anyway, I'll see you probably next week with another video. Until then, thank you one more time for watching 73 and have an amazing rest of the week.